What if I told you that everything you want, success, love, health, abundance, is already available to you right now, but you can't access it because of how you feel? Most people try to change their outer world, but not realizing the secret is changing your internal world first. The way you feel is not just an emotion, it's literally a frequency. And that frequency is your broadcast to the universe. When you're living in stress, worry, or fear, what are you projecting? Lack. And you receive more of the same. But when you consciously choose to feel emotions like love, joy, gratitude before the thing manifests, you actually become a vibrational match to it. This isn't just spiritual talk, this is quantum physics and neuroscience. Your body can't tell the difference between something you're imagining and something you're actually experiencing. So that means you can teach your body emotionally what it feels like to be loved, rich, free, in stasis, complete, whole, healed, abundant, prosperous, young. Now, and reality will begin to mirror that back to you. So changing how you feel will change your life. But how do you actually do that consistently? That's where most people get stuck. And that's exactly why I have linked my free mini course in the description. Unlock Your Potential, an introduction to energy, emotions, and universal laws. In about 30 minutes, I walk you through the foundation of mastering your energy, emotions, and beliefs using science-backed methods and universal principles. This is not wishful thinking. This is not some magical beans. This is science-backed, universal principles backed, and applied and tested over and over again. It's true. Your inner state always reflects your outer state. What you're experiencing in your life is a direct mirror of your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. And step number one is becoming aware of this. Because once you're aware of it, you can take the steps to change it. So if you're serious about transforming your life from the inside out, this is the next step. I'm not a guru or a prophet. I don't have any magical beans. I have a life experience in applying the universal laws to my life to create a life by design. And that's what I'll show you to do in every aspect of your life, whether it's health, wealth, relationships, more free time. You have to change the way you look at the world. Then the world changes because the world isn't separate from you. This isn't spiritual talk. This is quantum mechanics. This is particle physics. I'm telling you that you are more powerful than you can ever imagine. You're more powerful than what you've been told. I will show you how to unlock your inner potential and create from a space of inner presence, stillness, knowing, peace, and pure potential. I love you all. We are all brothers and sisters. We all come from the same consciousness. We are all fractals of the divine. I'll see you in the next video.